In this video, I'd like to go over costs. Using the OpenAI API is not free of charge. Fortunately though, at the moment of creating this course, OpenAI gives a free credit that can be consumed within the first 3 months. This is in fact a great way to learn and test the service. The cost of using the Chatgpt API was reduced dramatically. A series of system-wide optimizations have reduced the cost of Chatgpt by 90% since its initial release in December, and these savings are now being passed on to developers and API users. Completing this course should normally fall under the free tier, or in any case, you shouldn't pay more than a few bucks depending on how you'll use the service. I just want you to be aware of the fact that the OpenAI service is not completely free, and at some point you may have to add a credit card. The pricing model is simple, flexible, and open. You pay only for what you use, and anytime you want, you can check your usage at this address. You can also manage your spendings by configuring usage limits. For example, you can set up a $10 monthly limit once you are under the paid plan. Just go to Usage Limits under the Billing section of the main menu. Let's go ahead and see what the price structure is. For language models, the prices are set for 1000 tokens. For example, for ChatGPT, which uses a model called GPT 3.5 Turbo, you'll pay 0.2 cents for 1000 tokens. The DaVinci model, which is also extremely powerful, costs 2 cents for each 1000 tokens. And for ADA, which is the fastest, you'll pay 0.05 cents per 1000 tokens. We'll discuss tokens and other specific terms in depth in another lecture, but for the moment, think of a token as a chunk of characters. The AI models will process the text by breaking it down into tokens. According to the OpenAI documentation, a token is approximately 4 characters in English, or simply put, 100 tokens equals 75 words. Both the input, what you ask, and the output, what you get back, count as tokens. For DALL-E, which is an image generation model, you'll pay for each generated image depending on its resolution. For the highest resolution, you'll pay 2 cents, and for the lowest resolution, you'll pay 1.6 cents. Be aware that the prices could change at any moment, so it's possible that when you watch this video, another prices will be available. You should check them on the pricing page prior to using the AI models so that they won't come as a surprise to you.